The 2024 KTM 250 Duke, a high-performance naked bike, has made quite a splash. Unveiled in all its glory, it's commanding the attention of bike aficionados worldwide with its impressive features. At the heart of the 2024 Duke is a new LCD dashboard, acting as the nerve center of this beast on two wheels. It's not just about speed and power, it's about staying connected. With smartphone connectivity, you're always in touch, and with the turn-by-turn navigation, you're never lost. Under the hood, or rather, under the steel trellis mainframe, beats the heart of the beast, the latest generation LC4C engine. This power plant is not just compliant with the stringent Euro 5.2 emission standards, but it's also designed for improved cornering behavior and stability. It's not just about going fast, it's about going fast with confidence. But there's more to this bike than just the engine and tech features. Let's dive deeper into what sets the 2024 KTM 250 Duke apart. The backbone of this beast is a robust steel trellis mainframe, complemented by an aluminum subframe and swing arm. This combination doesn't just look sleek, it provides a rigid structure for precise handling while remaining lightweight for nimble maneuverability. Now let's talk suspension. The 250 Duke is equipped with high-performance WP Apex components which offer superior damping and response, ensuring a smooth ride even on the bumpiest of terrains. Rolling you forward are lightweight wheels wrapped in Murph steel radial tires. These aren't your average rubber. They offer exceptional grip, whether you're tearing through tight corners or cruising down the highway. But what's speed without control? The advanced braking system with ABS ensures you can stop on a dime, providing confidence in every twist and turn. Now, onto the rider's experience. The 2024 Duke doesn't just impress with its performance, it's also about the feel. Enhanced ergonomics make for a comfortable ride, whether you're on a long journey or a quick jaunt. And let's not forget the aggressive styling. It's not just a bike, it's a statement. The 2024 KTM 250 Duke doesn't just look good, it's designed to deliver an exhilarating ride. Now that we've covered the details, let's summarize what makes the 2024 KTM 250 Duke a standout. This high-performance naked bike is a real game-changer, boasting a blend of advanced technology and aggressive styling. The 2024 KTM 250 Duke is powered by a latest generation LC4C engine, designed to be compliant with the stringent Euro 5.2 emission standards. This state-of-the-art engine is all about improving cornering behavior and stability, making every ride an exhilarating experience. But it doesn't stop there. The bike's advanced braking systems ensure your safety on the road, while the lightweight wheels and radial tires offer a smooth ride. The 2024 KTM 250 Duke also sets the bar high in terms of comfort. Enhanced ergonomics are combined with a new LCD dashboard, smartphone connectivity, and turn-by-turn navigation, creating a seamless interface between the rider and machine. With its steel trellis mainframe, aluminum subframe, swing arm, and WP Apex suspension components, the 2024 KTM 250 Duke is not just about performance, it's also about style. The aggressive look of this bike is bound to turn heads wherever it goes. In a world where motorbikes are rapidly evolving, the 2024 KTM 250 Duke sets a new standard for energetic naked machinery. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the 2024 KTM 250 Duke and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Are you as excited about this high-performance bike as we are? If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the 2024 KTM 250 Duke. What do you think about its features, design, and performance? Do you have any questions about this bike? Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content.